Welcome, fellow lightworkers. Before we begin, in this moment of now, let us just take a moment to acknowledge our recent triumph. Through our collective efforts, we successfully altered the course of Hurricane Milton, reducing it from a catastrophic Category 5 to a Category 2. And the devastation we prevented is a testament to the power of our united consciousness and intention. We cooled the waters by 12 degrees. They cooled. We brought that shearing wind down to open and dismantle the eye. It happened. And the fear that was pulling into being, we are more powerful than 100,000 under the chains of fear. So don't take it lightly. It was not luck. This was you and me and God coming together, collapsing a new timeline that was the least devastating. But our work is, of course, just beginning. We can celebrate this victory. New challenges arise. There are wildfires burning across the United States. And I wanted to share this powerful prayer for water that you can use anytime you wish for fire to be extinguished. This is a reminder. It's a fictitious role play. Anything that actually happens in reality is pure coincidence. Again, this is sci-fi. There goes my eye twitching again for some reason. Wink, wink. All right. So right now we call the rain. We will use the same techniques that proved so effective against the hurricane, now focusing our energy on quenching fire and restoring balance. Remember, in our quantum role-playing, we don't wish for rain. We see it, we feel it, and we know it has already manifested. Already so. Let's begin this vital work. You can find a relaxing position if you are lying down and tend to stay awake. And we're going to draw upon the strength and unity that we have together to reshape reality for the highest good of all. So first, taking some deep breaths, grounding ourselves. You may visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet or your body at rest, growing roots, stretching down through the floors, through soil, through bedrock, reaching the very core of our earth, crystalline, glowing energy. Breathe that deeply. Each inhale, draw that energy up through your roots. Feel it rising through your feet, your legs, your torso, your heart, your throat, the crown of your head. You are now a living bridge between earth and sky, grounded and centered. Hold this connection. Feel its embrace. We are the story weavers, and our work is about to begin. Together we will bring the rain where is needed. Let the clouds gather, let the skies open. We are ready. Now that we are grounded and centered, let us connect with the water element. This is crucial for our rain calling work, of course. So as you relax, envision yourself surrounded by a sphere of pure, clear water. It's not touching you, but you can see it all around you, glistening and moving with gentle currents. Feel the coolness emanating from the sphere. Sense its fluidity, its life-giving properties. Expanding your awareness, connect mentally with all forms of water on our planet. The vast, deep oceans, their waves rolling and crashing on distant shores. See the rivers from mighty waterways carving through landscapes to small, bubbling streams in hidden forests. Visualize lakes, still and reflective, holding ancient secrets in their depths. Become aware of the water vapor in the air all around you. Invisible, but ever present, waiting to condense into clouds and rain. As you maintain this connection, allow the sphere of water around you to gently touch your skin. Feel its coolness, its fluidity. Let it remind you of water's transformative power. You are one with water after all, a conduit for its flow and transformation. Hold this connection as we prepare for the next phase of our work. With your eyes closed, turn your attention to the area you're working on, looking down from space. Focus on the areas where the fires are burning. See the smoke rising, the orange glow of flames, but don't let this image discourage you. Use it to fuel your intention. Envisioning now dark, heavy clouds beginning to gather over these areas anywhere that it's needed. See them forming, growing, swelling with moisture. These clouds are thick and low, promising rain. Watch as they spread. Perhaps like a time lapse, covering more and more of the sky. Feel the air changing, becoming cooler, more humid. The wind is carrying the scent of approaching rain. Now you feel it, the first drops falling. Refreshing. Hear the gentle patter as it hits leaves and the ground. The rain increases. It's falling steadily now, a soothing rhythm. Listen to the sound. It's nature's music, a lullaby for the parched earth. Breathe deeply. Can you smell it? The distinct scent of rain on dry earth. Petrichor. It's the smell of relief, of renewal. See the rain dousing the flames, steam rising as fire meets water, the parched earth drinking in the moisture eagerly. Hold this vision. The rain falling steadily, persistently, quenching fire, rejuvenating land. This is reality. Deepening our connection now to the rain-soaked sky, we engage all our senses, making this vision as vivid and real as possible. First, see the rain more clearly. Watch individual droplets falling from the sky. Notice how they catch the light, glistening as they fall. See puddles forming on the ground, their surfaces dancing with ripples as more rain falls. Look at the plants and trees. Their leaves are shiny with moisture, drooping slightly under the weight of the water. Listen to the rain. At first, it's a gentle patter, a soft percussion on leaves and earth, but it is growing stronger. Hear it drumming on rooftops, splashing in newly formed streams. There's a crescendo building. A gentle patter becomes a steady rhythm, then swells into a heavy downpour. Nature's symphony is in full voice. Feel the rain on your skin. It's cool and refreshing. Feel it running down your face, your arms, your clothes are getting damp. Now clinging to your skin, the air around you is changing too. You can feel the humidity rising, the atmosphere is heavy with moisture. The earthly aroma of rain falling on the ground, the smell of dust settling, parched earth coming back to life. With each breath, you're inhaling the scent of renewal and hope. Finally, taste the rain. Open your mouth. Imagine catching raindrops on your tongue. There's a freshness in the air, clean, pure, invigorating. This rainstorm, you can see it, hear it, feel it, smell it, taste it. Hold on to this multi-sensory experience. This is the reality we are manifesting. The rain is here, quenching the fires, restoring balance. Taking our visualization to a deeper quantum level, this may feel abstract, but trust in your ability to connect with the very fabric of reality. Imagine yourself shrinking down, becoming smaller and smaller until you're at the subatomic level. You are now a quantum particle, a fundamental building block of the universe. In this state, you're no longer bound by ordinary physics. You can be in multiple places at once, influence other particles instantly across vast distances. This is the realm of quantum entanglement. Focus your awareness on the atmosphere over the area that is raining. See the water molecules floating there, countless particles suspended in the air. Now imagine yourself entangled with these water molecules. You're connected with them on the deepest level, becoming one with them. Distance is meaningless here. You are simultaneously here and there. Your connection is strengthening. You are these water molecules, and they are you. Your intention is their intention. With this connection established, gently encourage these particles to come together, attracting each other, clustering, growing heavier now, forming tiny droplets that grow heavier and heavier. You feel the pull of gravity becoming too heavy to remain suspended. You're ready to fall. Embrace the descent. You are bringing life-giving water to the parched earth below. Remember, in quantum mechanics, the act of observation affects the outcome. As you observe and participate in this process, you're influencing it. Your intention, your visualization is making this rain a reality. Hold this quantum connection, this entanglement with the water and the atmosphere. You are the rain, and the rain is you. Together we are bringing relief to the burning lands. Now, working with the concept of multiple timelines, focus your intention to manifest the reality we desire. Imagine 3 distinct paths, each representing a different timeline. On the first path, you see the current reality, the blaze, the smoke. This is the timeline we're steering away from. On the second path, visualize gentle rain falling. It's a start, but not quite enough to fully extinguish the fires. On the third path, picture a perfect, steady rainfall. It's substantial, dousing the flames completely. yet not so heavy to cause flooding or other issues. This is our target timeline. Now, see these three paths beginning to merge. They're moving closer together, overlapping. And focus all your intention, all your energy on that third timeline, the one with the perfect fire-quenching rain. See it growing brighter, more vivid, more real. And as you concentrate on this ideal timeline, watch the other two begin to fade. They're becoming translucent, less distinct. The timeline of gentle rain is blending into our desired reality, adding its energy to the perfect rainfall. The timeline of burning is diminishing, losing its hold on reality. It's becoming a mere shadow that has not come to pass. The one with perfect, steady, fire-extinguishing rain is glowing brightly. It's solid, it's tangible. It's the most real thing we can perceive. Now feel yourself stepping into this timeline. You're no longer an observer, you're part of this reality. The rain is falling, the fires are being extinguished, balance is being restored. This is the timeline we've chosen. This is the reality we're writing, we're weaving. Hold on to this vision, reinforce it with your belief and intention. The timelines have collapsed, and we're shaping the outcome. The rain is here, and it's exactly what is needed. Now, we'll unite our voices in a powerful affirmation. This statement reinforces our intention and solidifies the reality we've been visualizing. Remember, we speak in the present tense, as if these events have already occurred. So with conviction and certainty, repeat after me. The rains have come. The fires are quenched. Balance is restored. Let's say it together 3 more times, feeling the truth of these words resonating through your entire being. The rains have come. The fires are quenched. Balance is restored. The rains have come. The fires are quenched. Balance is restored. The rains have come. The fires are quenched. Balance is restored. Feel the power of our collective voices, speaking these words, strengthening the reality we've created. The rain is falling now. The fires are being extinguished as we speak. The natural balance is being restored at this very moment. Hold this truth in your heart. Know it with every fiber of your being. We have called the rain, and it has answered. Our work is manifesting in the physical world. Take a deep breath and let this settle into your consciousness. This is our reality now. The rains have come. The fires are quenched. Balance is restored. And now we'll tap into the ancient art of alchemy. We are the alchemists of nature, capable of transforming one element into another. Envision yourself as a powerful alchemist standing at the edge of burning fields or forests. You have the ability to transmute energy, to change fire into water. As you see the fires before you, feel the intense heat and destructive power, but don't fear the energy. You are going to transmute it now. Imagine drawing the fire's energy upwards. See the heat rising into the sky, leaving the burning trees and earth below. As this energy ascends, picture it changing. The fiery red and orange hues are cooling, transforming into blues and grays. The heat is condensing as it rises, forming water vapor. See the tiny water particles clustering together, growing denser and heavier. Clouds are forming now, dark and heavy with moisture. These clouds are the alchemical product of our transformation. Fire turned to water. Now complete the cycle. See the clouds releasing. The transformed fire energy is falling back to earth as life-giving rain. The rain reaches the fires below. The water, once fire, is now extinguishing the flames. It's a perfect closed circle of transformation. Each raindrop, more of the fire's energy is reclaimed and transformed. The cycle continues. Heat rises, transforms, falls as rain, quenches more fires. You are the master of this alchemical process. Feel the power of transformation flowing through you, turning destruction into renewal. This is the ultimate balance: fire into water, destruction into creation. Hold this vision of continuous transformation, of perfect cyclical balance. You are the alchemist. The fires are your raw material. The rain is your gold. The transformation is complete. As we come to the close of our rain calling ritual, let's take a moment to express our gratitude and thereby solidify our work. First, let's thank the elements that we've worked with today. To fire, we say thank you for your transformative power and the energy you provided for this change. To water, we express our gratitude for your life-giving properties and your willingness to flow where needed. To air, we thank you for carrying the clouds and distributing the rain. To earth, we offer our thanks for supporting us and receiving the rain to nurture new growth. Now let's extend our gratitude to Gaia, our living mother planet. Thank you, Earth, for your resilience, your beauty, and your constant support of all life. We are honored to work in harmony with you to restore balance. Now take a moment to feel gratitude for each other, for this community of light workers, united in purpose. Our collective energy and intention has made this work possible. Thank you for your dedication, your focus, and your love for our planet. Visualize now the result of our combined efforts. See this dome of shimmering, translucent energy forming over the areas in need. This dome is made of our collective intention and a vision of balance restored. This dome begins to dissolve, transforming into a gentle, steady rain. The shimmering energy is becoming droplets of water falling softly and consistently over the land. The rain will continue, nourishing the earth and extinguishing the fires. As this vision fades, bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Feel your connection to the earth beneath you, to the air around you, to the water within you. Know that this work continues even as we end this session. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension or effort. Our intention has been set. Our energy directed. Trust in the process we've initiated. And thank you all for your participation in this vital work. We are the story weavers, guardians of balance. Our efforts ripple out into the world, creating positive change as we collapse timeline potentials into being. Whenever you think of the areas you are working on in the upcoming days, reinforce a vision of gentle, steady rain and restored balance. Our work is done for now, but its effects will continue to manifest long after our focused intention upon it leaves. Thank you, and blessed be.